Hey, Rika. Woo. Hey, Rika, what you working on? Shit. I see it, son. Damn.
Nigga, where? Won't even play like that. Whole nother way glad. Let homie know we ain't playing it fair. First off the plane to the trap, yeah. I'm tryna beat up the pay. Monday through Sunday, I'm running up racks. I be wherever it's at, yeah. I be wherever it's at. I be wherever it's at, yeah. I be wherever it's at. I be wherever it's at. Broke nigga, where? Won't even play like that. Broke nigga, where? Won't even play like that.
What's good, auntie? It's your girl Rika Janae, and I'm back with a video. And today we're going to be installing Wraith stars into this Camaro. Y'all, it's a stick. I'm in love. Everything is out, okay? All I have to do is literally drop the headliner. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Into it. I'm about to go ahead and pull all of this out real quick. After I pull it out, I'm going to insert the stars into the ceiling. Stay tuned, auntie.
Couple ones a bit. Couple ones a bit.
Boom. So you got the end of the this the back, this for the back. See how thin it is? Not a lot. So you get this, you poke your hole, widen it out a little bit, and you insert it.
Couple ones a bit.
You keep doing this throughout the whole headliner. Me, I just poke holes and go. I don't measure it. I don't like map it out, because I know, like, when I'm doing it, I know how it's gonna look. But I don't go and glue it first. I glue it at the end. So if I have to move some around, like let's say if one spot is a little too crowded, I can move them to the front or the back or the side, wherever I need to move them to. I'll be back when I finish, and I'll just show you guys how I glue them in and how I take this part off to make sure that it's flat. And that's it. That's all. Bye, auntie. So I finally have all of the lights in. I haven't cut them out yet. I still have to glue the back down, but I'm gonna glue the back down, and once I glue the back down, I'll cut this out. all of these stars in and
couple ones a bit.
$800 for a Camaro. So after I cut them out, I'll show you this. And this gets all like the extra little fuzzies. And y'all hear that? Like the little pieces that I missed. So when you touch it, it'll be smooth. And there you have it, guys. It is a Wraith Camaro done by Rika Rocket. Another one. It's actually 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm just finishing, but this looks absolutely amazing. Everything tucked. You don't see no wires hanging out. It looks like it was bought like this, like Royce and Camaro did a collab. That's what this looked like. And it's fire. Look at that. This is 800 stars, by the way. But yeah, it's pretty freaking dope. Okay, auntie, it's 5 in the morning. I'm getting bit by mosquitoes. I've been going through it these past hours. I've been here since 11 today. So that's it. That's all, auntie. I will see you in the next video. If you would like more videos like this, comment. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys like this video. If you haven't watched my previous videos, go do that right now. Right now. And stay tuned because it's more heat on the way. Bye, auntie.